In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page on MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when Safari on your MacBook displays Safari cannot open the page, it means the browser has disconnected from the destination host server, and that's typically triggered by a stalled background extension script, an outdated local system cache, or an aggressive network security protocol blocking the data stream. So, before changing deep system configurations, you need to isolate whether a corrupted local cookie grid or a background extension is actively hijacking your web pages. So if Safari is frozen, let me just go ahead and open mine up right now. All you want to do is press Options, Command, and the Escape button all at once, and then you're going to force quit Safari. Make sure you force quit it properly, and then try and open it again to open a new window using Shift, Command, and N, and see if that works. And what you can also do is clear site caches via the hidden developer panel. Now, a website can drop complex background data that breaks during subsequent server updates. Now, clearing out your root Safari cache fixes this loop immediately. So what you want to do is open up Safari, and while Safari is open, on the top left menu, go ahead and go over to your Safari settings. So click on Safari and then go to settings, and now it's going to look like this. So what we want to go ahead and do now is jump over to the advanced tab, which is going to be on the rightmost layer, and check the box at the absolute bottom labeled show features for web developers, which is going to be right here at the bottom. Now, once you go ahead and click on that, then all you want to go ahead and do is go over to the developer tab right here. And then once it opens, click develop and scroll down to select empty caches. So once you go ahead and empty the caches and everything, that's basically going to allow you to try and open up the websites. And what you can also do as a further step is go ahead and clear any of your history as well, which should definitely help too. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials as well.